Bailey Parnell is the founder and CEO of Skills Camp, a soft skills training company, a 2 TED speaker, and was named one of Canada's top 100 most powerful women.
Bailey Parnell is a social media and mental health researcher and the founder of the hashtag Safe Social Organization.
I lead a soft skills training company that works with businesses, governments, educational institutions all over the world. And we help people develop these skills that they need for success. Skills like resilience, collaboration, emotional intelligence, you name it. And so it's through this very unique insight that I've been able to see quite literally what skills companies are asking for right now, as well as the skills that they need to be successful in the future.
These are skills like public speaking, like leadership, that you can break down into things that people do, practice them like the skill of soccer, and then build up the skill in yourself.
You're just trying to figure out, why am I so exhausted? Why do I hate the world right now? Like, why do I have this existential dread?
This is part of how you communicate these days. Like, your camera, your lighting, your framing.
If your business in this space does well, it does not mean that mine does not do well. It means that more people are well.
I think my biggest impact in New York City, in Canada, and honestly globally right now is my work in generative AI and how it connects to human well-being and also leadership. We are right now having conversations that are actually going to define what the future of work looks like, what the future of education looks like, what the future of dying looks like because of this technology. Through Skills Camp and skills development, everyone can trust that I'm also working to make sure that humans have the skills to thrive in that future. Not only did I have 2 different subjects that reacted wildly differently to 2 different posts, I had the same subject react to the same photo wildly differently in 2 different hours.
The way I view social media is that it's neither good nor bad. It's just the most recent tool that we're using to do what we've always done, which is, tell stories and communicate with each other.
You are at risk of becoming more frustrated, of losing productivity and feeling like you can't focus, of feeling lonely, of feeling worse about yourself because you're comparing yourself so often to everyone's highlight reels. Our brains are trying to keep us psychologically safe. So it's only when these threats or these stressors come that it kind of has to notice.
We talk about this dark side of social media. What we're really talking about is the dark side of people. That dark side that makes harassers harass, that insecurity that makes you take down a photo you were excited to share.
I realized the dark side of AI is also the dark side of people. But guess what? The good side of AI is also the good side of people. And this is what I hope that we're going to end on today.
I challenge you. I challenge you not to leave this presentation and think those are some interesting stats. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at and take one more step towards understanding your own dark side.
Social can tear you down, yes. Or it can lift you up, where you leave feeling better off or have an actual laugh out loud. Thank you.